Hello friend, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can send confidential file in Gmail. Okay, so if you think that your Gmail or email is very good confidential and you should not know anyone and should not check it anyone, then if you want to um, think that the after getting a receiver your email, then the email will be finished within 1 days or 2 days, so you can set it. Okay, so how can you do it? Simply follow me and you will learn. Okay, so simply go to Gmail, and here you can see compose your email. So before composing, you need to go here, three dot. Okay, you can see three dot, click on it, and here is the option. You can see confidential mode, so click on it, and here the final output. Okay, so record passport, SMS passcode or something else, expire 1 week, expire in 1 date. So if you think that your email will be finished within will be expired within a day, then you can set. So you can choose it according to your purpose. Okay, so I just expire 1 day, then save, and then compose your email. So compose your email and subject and attached file, then send it. Okay, so friend, I think you got a helpful video from this tutorial. So thank you for watching.